Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from binary tree, which is called width of a binary tree. Okay, so you need to find the width of a binary tree. So for example, if the binary tree is given something like this to you, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So what will be the width of this binary tree? So see, if this is a complete binary tree, means each node has left and child, right child. Okay, so in that case, there could be, let me take the different color. Okay, there could be here another node, here also. Okay, for this one also, 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 and for this one also. Okay, and width is the maximum, the level where the maximum nodes appears. Okay, so here the last level will be that. So what would be the width of this tree? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8, right? And you can numbering them also. If 0 is your root node, so this one will be 1 2, then 3 4 5 6, and then 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14, right? So from 14 minus 7 plus 1, so 7 plus 1, 8 will be your width. Okay, but currently you don't have this orange color nodes. Okay, what you have is what do you have? You have only this these nodes. Okay, whatever we have inside here, those nodes you have. Let me remove all this. So how you will find the width of a tree? Because when you are traversing it, you don't have any numbering or something, right? So how will you find it? So that is the thing, right? So how you can achieve this? Very easy. This is the this is just nothing but a level order traversal. Okay, but see, if you see the pair class, okay, it has node plus index. So one index also added with each node. Okay, index also added. So for example, this is 0 1 2, okay, 3 4 5 6 7, but here we will not take this 3 4 5 6 7. The reason for that is, let's say if your tree is some skew binary tree. Skew means it will have either left or right. Okay, diagonal tree. So something like this, and you have 2 to the power n nodes. Okay, so in that case, what numbering you can give? See, this one will be 0. Okay, and then this, if this is I, so this left one will be your 2i plus 1, and right one will be your 2i plus 2. Okay, so if this is 0, so 2 into 0 plus 1, so this one will be 1. 2 into 0 plus 2, this one will be 2. Okay, and then this one is 1, so 2 into 1 plus 1, so this one will be 3, and then 4, and something like that. So in this cube binary tree, what it would be, see, if this is 0, this one will become 1, this one will become 3, this one become 5, and if you have 2 to the power n nodes, so the integer value will be very huge, right? In that case, what you need to do, it's better that you just so for example, if this is 0 1 2, right, and this one will be your 3, so instead of 3, if it is again 0 1 2, if again it will start from 0 1 2, so that will be that would be very easier for us, right? So for example, if this is 0 1, then 0, then 1, then 0, then 1, so you will have only 0 1 2s only, right? So for that, what we will do, whatever value you have on that level, okay, minimum value for the index, you will subtract that minimum value from each node. Okay, we will see that in the code. So let me remove everything, and let me create everything freshly. Okay, so let's say you have a tree something like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, now so your pair will be node and index. Okay, now width of a binary tree, so if root equal to null, then you will return 0. So right now that condition is not true. You will create one queue, okay, the normal level order traversal, and then you will add the root into the queue. But with root, you are adding index also, minimum index. So for root, it will be 0, right? So you have added that root here, 1 in the queue. Now max width, you have taken one variable. Okay, so max width will be 0 initially. Now until you need to run this while loop until queue is not empty. Okay, so first take the value of size is 1 right now, and then first and last, take first equal to 0 and last equal to 0. Why we are taking it? So the index of this one, so this minus this plus 1, we were finding width like that, right? So for that you're doing it, and then after that you're running one for loop till I equal to 0 to size of the list. Okay, we do this in level order. So now you will take the current value, okay, current pair. So in current pair, you will have an index and node both. So what will be your current index? Your current index will be your whatever index it has minus whatever is the minimum index. So minimum index is the index for which the first node of that level has. Okay, so for 1 it is 0, so index will be 0. Okay, and then here current index. So what current index would be? current index would be 0 minus 0, which is 0 only. Okay, now you have to set value for this first and last, okay, when you're traversing this level wise, right? And using for loop you're traversing each node. So when I equal to 0, that time whatever node value is there, right, node index is there, you will put that in a first, okay, and when I is equal to size minus 1, in that case whatever the node index you have, that you will put it in last. Okay, so I equal to 0, so first equal to current index, so first will become 0, and I equal to size minus 1, no, right now size minus 1 is not true, so current node is not equal to left, current node left is not equal to null, so you will put that current node in the queue. Okay, so what is current node? 2, but what will be its index? Its index will be 2 into current index, so either you can take 2 into I plus 1 also and 2 into I plus 2 also, so we are taking 2 into I. Okay, now 2 into I means what? It see, this is 1 comma 0, and this one will be 2 into current index, so current index is 0 only, right? Current index is 0, so it will be 0 only. Then next time you will add right, so right will be 3. Okay, so 3 comma 2 into I plus 1, so 2 into 0 plus 1, so it will be 1. So I told you, no, like this is 0, this one will become 0 1, then this one will become 0 1 0 0 1 2 3, something like that. Okay, okay, now after that you have to calculate your max width. Okay, and at the end whatever is the max width, that would be your answer. So max width will be either whatever is maximum, either max width or last minus first plus 1. Okay, so right now max width is what is the max width? Last minus first plus 1, so 0 minus 0 plus 1, so max width is 1, and which is correct also, right? For this root node max width is 0. Now again this is not there in the queue, 2 comma 0 and 3 comma 1, so you will take 2 comma 0 now. Okay, 2 comma 0 came, and then what is the queue size? Right now it is 2. Okay, queue size is 2, and max width will be 1, so I'm removing from here, I already have it here. Okay, max width. So again minimum index will be q pick dot index, so minimum index will be 0 only. Okay, and then first equal to 0, last equal to 0, I equal to 0, I is less than size, so current index will be q dot pole, current equal to q dot pole, and current index will be current index minus minimum index. Minimum index is 0, current index is 0, so your current index will be 0 only. Okay, so I equal to 0, first equal to current index, so when I equal to 0, okay, so first will be 0, but when I is equal to okay, right now this one will come next time, but before that you have to, so currently you have pole this one, okay, here 2. Now 2 ka left and right, so 2 ka left is there, so 4 comma, what will be the index? Index will be 2 into I. Okay, so I is 0, so 2 into 0 means 4 comma 0 only, and now after that right is not there. Okay, so what will be your max width? Max width will be first minus last plus 1, so it is 1 only this time. Okay, now the time for 3 comma 1, so when 3 comma 1 came, in that case when 3 comma 1 came, in that case what will be your here? Okay, so current index will be current index minus mean index. Mean index is 0, current index is 1, so 1 minus 0 1. Okay, so current index will become 1 now, and I equal to 0, so okay, first is already there, last is equal to current index, so now last will become 1. Okay, after that current ka next node left is not equal to null, so you will add that, so 4, so here 6 comma 0 will come. Okay, 2 into I, current node left means 6, and 2 into current index is 1, so it will be 2 actually. Okay, this one will be 2. Okay, then 3 comma 1 is done. Okay, so 3 comma 1 is okay, and now max width will be last minus first plus 1, so last is 1 minus 0 plus 1, so now max width will be 2 in this case. Okay, so 2 comma 3 is also done, so here it is done, so max width is 2, which is correct. Now for next level what should be the max width? It should be 4, and after that 8. Okay, let's see if it is coming or not. So now you have 4 comma 0 in your queue, so you will pick that 4 comma 0. Okay, so after 4 comma 0, so for 3 it was 5, here it will not be 6 actually, it would be it was for 3, right? So 3 ka right would be 5, and 2 into I plus 1, so it would be 3 5 comma 3, which is correct, right? Because 0 1 2 3, yeah, correct. Now 5 comma 3 is done. Now you have taken 4 comma 0 out, so 4 comma 0, when you take 4 comma 0, in that case what will happen? from here. Okay, check this condition. 4 comma 0 came, so current index will be whatever index it has, means 0 minus whatever is the mean index we have, so 0. So current index will be 0 only. Okay, again it will become 0. And then I equal to 0, yeah, condition true. So first equal to current index, so first will be 0 only. Okay, what will be last? Currently we don't know, because I is not size minus 1. Okay, now let's check its left and right. So 4 left is 6. Okay, so you will add that 6 here. 6 comma, what will be the size? 2 into I, so I is 0 only, so 2 into 0, 6 comma 0 will come here. Okay, what will be max width right now? So max width will be whatever is maximum, or last minus 1 plus 1. So this is 0 minus 1 minus 0 plus 1 is 2, or max width is also 2. So I will not override that. Okay, again now it's time for 5 comma 3. Okay, now for this one 5 comma 3. So here if you check current index equal to whatever you have index here, 3 minus 0. So now current index will become 3. Okay, and then I equal to 0 hai, so first equal to 0, and then I equal to size minus 1. Yes, I equal to size minus 1. So last equal to current index. So now last will become 3. Okay, again current node dot left is not equal to null. 5 comma 3, 5 comma 3, no, it is null. Now check for the right. So right is not equal to null. Yes, so 7 will come. Okay, now what will be the index? So whatever index you have for this 5, which is 3, so 2 into I plus 1, so 6 and 7. So 7 will come. Okay, 7 comma 7. You got it from how we got the index, right? Just dry run this code, you will get it. Now next is 5 comma 3. Okay, you have added that. And what will be the max width here? So max width is 2, and last is 3. 3 minus 0 plus 1, which is 4. So max width will be 4 now, which is correct, because see here one node will come, so 4 would be the max width, right? Okay, now let's check for the 6th, because the always the maximum width you need to find, right? So the level where maximum nodes is there. So now it's time for 6 comma 0. So 6 comma 0 came. Okay, and see, this one was the size, then this one was the level, then now we are currently in this level. Okay, here. So what will happen? Again it will check for the I is less than size. Okay, so again 6 comma 0 came into the picture. So current will be 6 comma 0. Current index will be 0 minus mean index. What is mean index? It is 0 only. So current index again will become 0. Okay, now I equal to 0. So first will be current index. Okay, so actually this one was one level, and now from here new level is started, because we don't have 2 nodes in between, right? That's why. So new level is started. So yeah, I equal to first 0, that is condition true. So first equal to current index is 0. So first will be 0 only. Now we don't have right now size, I is not size minus 1, we will come that later. Now check its left and right. So 6 comma 0. Okay, 6 comma 0, what is left and right? Null, you don't need to put that. Okay, fine. So what will be your max width? Max width, whatever it will be, but will not be greater than 4, what we already have. So let it be 4 only. Okay, now 7 comma 7 will come into the picture. Now here the story will change. Okay, so 7 comma 7. So here I is so this is the size minus 1 now. Okay, so current index will be 7 minus 0. Current index will be 7. Okay, current index will be 7 now. So here this one will be 7. Okay, now check next statement, which is I equal to 0. No, I equal to size minus 1. Yes, condition true. So last equal to current index. So what is current index? 7. So last will be equivalent to 7 now. Okay, and then let's check for its left and right. No, you don't have any left and right here. So max width will be whatever max width you have. Okay, otherwise last minus first plus 1. So last is 7. 7 minus 0 plus 1, 8. So width will be 8. Okay, and at the end that will be your answer, 8. That's it. Thank you.